Nowadays, if you tell someone, मैंने बीकॉम किया, अच्छा, तो आरती उतारो, PhD, you know, like that is something, someone has done PhD, doctorate, लगता है क्या कुछ इसने समय बिताया है कॉलेज कैंपस के अंदर, कुछ किया है. Again, you know, here in this ICT college, when I was preaching, one student, he was doing his PhD for past 8 years in that college. 8 years, 8 साल से PhD कर रहा है. So I was curious, 8 साल से अगर कोई PhD कर रहा है तो कोई बहुत धांसू सब्जेक्ट होगा ना. So I asked, क्या सब्जेक्ट क्या है PhD का? He said, to increase the longevity of a water bubble. Increasing the longevity of a water bubble. Obviously, what question you would ask? Obviously, what question you would ask? Why? Huh? Talking about questions, it's very important the kind of questions we ask. Like, one of our congregation boys, his father gifted him a video game, a new video game. And as soon as he got the new video game, the first question he asked his father, Papa, teach me how to play. The next month, the same Papa got a bead bag from our temple, gave to the same boy, his son. You know, the spontaneous question was, why? When it came to video game, the question was, how? When it came to bead bag chanting, the question was, why? Just like, you know, if I ask you a hypothetical question, can anyone jump and touch the chandelier? बीच वाला कूद, खड़े होके कूद के उस शैंडिलियर को टच कर सकता है कोई? खड़े हो रहा है. वो छत पे तो नहीं जा रहा है शैंडिलियर ने उतारने के लिए. See you. So, so obviously, a good intelligence, what question will it ask? A good intelligence will ask this question, why? अरे अच्छा खासा लेक्चर चल रहा है, हाँ, अच्छा खासा सब कुछ चल रहा है, शैंडिलियर भी अच्छे से जल रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं दे रहा है, कोई बल्ब फट नहीं रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है, क्यों ये अतरंगी चीज कह रहे हो, खड़े होके उसको टच करना है? Why? The question would be, intelligent person will ask the question, why? Now, another proposal. I know you can earn 10 crores in 1 week. हाँ, spontaneous question क्या है? हाँ, है ना? कोई भी अगर ये क्वेश्चन पूछा वाई, बोला पागल आदमी. So yes, when he told me that the subject matter of his PhD was how to increase the longevity of a water bubble, my spontaneous question was, why? Why do you want to increase the longevity of a water bubble? And he didn't get it. So he was very seriously trying to make me understand. He said, Prabhuji, these big multinational companies, soap companies, you know, so the branded ones, मतलब हम जैसे तो हमाम होके चलेगा, उसमें काम चला लेते हैं, but the branded soap companies, the elite people use, you know, elite people, they use those soaps. So these multinational soap companies, you know, they sell their product, branded products only to the elite people. And when these elite people, they use their soap, And when they scrub their body while taking bath with that soap, the soapy bubbles when they are formed. And when these soapy bubbles, when they trickle down their body, they get tickled, like that. They like it. What they like? When the soapy bubbles trickle down their body and the tickling sensation they get, they like that. So they want that the soapy bubbles should remain for a longer duration of time on their body when they are taking bath, so that when they are trickling down their body when they are taking bath, the more tickling sensation they'll get. Wow. मनुष्य जीवन इसके लिए दिया गया है हमें कि जो साबुन के बुलबुले हैं उनके आप आयु बढ़ाओ। और क्यों और क्यों बढ़ाना है उसकी आयु? जब वो नहाने जाते हैं तो वहां पर जो वो साबुन के बुलबुले यहां वहां से जाते हैं, उनको जो गुदगुदी होती है, उसके लिए एक बंदा 8 साल से पीएचडी कर रहा है। लो कर लो बात।